Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to do the unboxing of something I really got surprised because my last Dynam plane was very long time ago. It was a T-47 bubble top that I converted into a Razorback after a very long time. Finding that Dynam did a very good job with this plane, I am going to do some unboxing. Let's see what we have. This plane is called the unsung hero of the Battle of Britain. Yes. This is the venerable Hurricane, right? Okay, it's upside down. Okay. This is the Hurricane. Let's say it has a lot of advertisement here. 14 plus. Okay, I'm way above that. 5 channel. 5 channel means no flaps, right? Yeah, usually they don't have flaps, you see. But better because these flaps are horrible. EPO, LiPo battery, ESC, brushless, motor brush, of course. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Usually, always Dynam have these very wide, very big boxes. Usually Dynam or FMS, they try to optimize space and they stack the different parts together. But Dynam, they usually put side by side. Okay. Alright. Okay, this is a typical Dynam box with everything stored in individual boxes. Alright. Let's see what we have here. Small box. Okay, we have the scoop, cooler scoop, cockpit and pilot. Canopy and pilot. Spinner, nice spinner, and not so nice exhausts, right? Because these are mostly not for this model, and hardware and so on. Right. What else we have? The usual 13 by 6 propeller. Right. This is standard for most Dynam warbirds, right? From 109, T-47, Hurricane, everybody, Corsair, everybody has this, all these things have these propellers. Oh, very long one must be the fuselage, right? Okay. You know, I always wanted a Hurricane, and even I bought one famous Hurricane from one guy in Hong Kong called Ming. If you remember Ming Hurricane, that was a very nice scale Hurricane, but it was completely unpainted. So it was all white foam, more or less the size. And I still have the box. I tried to finish it, but so many projects ongoing. Okay, nice motor here, and the surface finishing is really good. You can see we have really smooth surface. We have the cockpit. This is the latch. Cockpit opens. This nice and spacious. Oh, what's this? Gear LED central unit. Interesting. We have a system here that I was not aware of. As I mentioned, this is new for me. Dynam, I had many Dynam planes. I had the 262, I had the Corsair, I had the 109, and I had the P47. This is my first Dynam in a very long time, and my first Hurricane, PMP. You can see you have the cooling in the chin, good for the air entrance, but okay, we have the air output here. We have two servos in the back, one for elevator, one for rudder probably. And this is nice. The connector, the battery connector is on. Come with me. Okay, XT60. Although, let's say, Dynam has very nice models, the electronics they were not the best of the best, but they were good enough. Okay, another box. Let's see. The wings and the rest of the stuff. You see, this packaging uses very little styrofoam, actually no styrofoam like Dynam or sorry, like FMS or Freewing. So it's, we can say it's more ecological in a way. Here's a wing, very nice wing. We have two lights, one here, one here. That's a difference, because usually when you buy a Dynam plane, the lights are not connected. They give you just the wires, and you need to get a resistor, and you need to get your own connector for the lights. Okay, this is the underside. Oh, this time they put the flap. Usually these guys keep this tab uncut. And then you need to, if you want flap, you need to install your own. But in this case, the flaps are being activated. Although this is full flap, and the Hurricane is split flap, right? If I'm not mistaken, it's split flap. It's all the way from here up to here. The painting is nice. Painting is good. Very wide and deep panel lines. The retract is included with the retract cover. Not exactly scale, but I mean, as I mentioned, good enough for what we need, right? Okay, here we have the other wing, and we have some other parts. I'm really happy with this plane because I only had one Hurricane before. It was a small Hurricane. It was from Taft that I bought from Hobby King. Was a 900 mm, something very small, but it was a really good plane. Love that. Well, we have some paint issues here. They were sitting together, right? Probably the compression made the paint to stick. Unfortunately, we have some minor issues here and some minor issues there, but nothing impossible to fix with some paint. Alright, what else? We have all the stickers, roundels, call signs, machine guns, covers, the typical Dynam paraphernalia, no step, many things like probably not going to use except the roundels and the call signs and machine guns. I'm not going to use everything. And here is the manual. Manual is a one piece, and you see all the this. So you need to have a this side to see what is inside, how to assemble it. Of course, it's something that at this stage of my life I don't need to use very often. Alright, here is the aluminum, one fiberglass tube, right, painted black to simulate carbon fiber, but you can see that the edges are white, so this is most probably fiberglass. Also, it's quite heavy, so who cares? Alright guys, this is the unboxing of the Hurricane, the Dynam Hurricane. This is a 1.2 meter, 1.3 meter wingspan, right? 125, 49 inches, 1 meter long, flying weight, 4S battery to 2002. Right? So next I will proceed to assembly this one, and probably I'm going to do it quite fast and silently. So okay, see you soon, and please subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for watching, and let's keep this hobby live, right? Because we know that we love planes, but we need also to take care of many other things, and okay, life is not that easy, and but we can we keep enjoying our hobbies, and okay, let's take care, and please subscribe. See you soon, and we will see how this flies probably tomorrow. Take care. Bye.